Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make restaurant-style tomato soup. First, select ripe, flavorful tomatoes, about 2 pounds for the best base. You'll also need 1 medium onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and fresh basil. A good quality vegetable broth, approximately 4 cups, is essential for depth. We'll start by preparing these core ingredients to ensure a smooth and delicious cooking process. This foundational step is key to achieving that rich, restaurant-quality taste. Now, let's build our flavor base. Heat 1/4 cup of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your diced onion and sauté it gently until it turns translucent, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Next, stir in the minced garlic and cook for just 1 minute until it becomes wonderfully fragrant. Finally, incorporate 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, stirring it for another minute to deepen its rich flavor. This step is crucial for a complex and savory soup. Once your aromatics are ready, add 2 pounds of chopped tomatoes and 4 cups of vegetable broth to the pot. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it cook for about 20 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Before blending, stir in 1/2 cup of fresh basil leaves. Then, use an immersion blender to achieve a perfectly smooth and creamy texture. If you don't have one, a regular blender works too. Just be careful with hot liquids. For the finishing touches, taste your soup and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed. For an extra touch of restaurant-quality richness, stir in 1/4 cup of heavy cream. This step adds a luxurious mouthfeel. Ladle the hot soup into bowls and garnish with a few fresh basil leaves or a drizzle of high-quality olive oil. Serve immediately with some crusty bread or a classic grilled cheese sandwich for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.